Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Trello board login issues, workspace access errors step by step clearly. If you're having trouble accessing your Trello board, follow these steps to resolve login issues. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable network. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello login page. If you are using a bookmark, try typing the URL manually to eliminate potential errors. Enter your email address associated with your Trello account. Click on the Continue button to proceed. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password through the email you receive. If you are already logged into another account, log out first before attempting to access your desired board. Once logged out, re-enter the email address of your Trello account. Check for any error messages that may appear. If you see a message stating that your workspace does not exist, verify that you are using the correct email. Make sure you have been invited to the workspace if it is team-based. In case the workspace owner has removed you, request access again. If you are a member of multiple workspaces, ensure you select the correct one. If the problem persists, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Restart your web browser after clearing the cache. You could also try accessing your Trello board from a different browser or device. If you're using extensions, temporarily disable them to see if they are causing the issue. If you are still unable to log in, check Trello's official status page for any ongoing issues. In some cases, it might be necessary to contact Trello support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible about your login issue. Follow any additional instructions provided by the support team. Once resolved, you should be able to access your Trello board without any problems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.